So, what are the fundamental particles in this universe? Now, we seem to be getting closer, but the problem with science is that every time we answer one question, 3 more questions seem to pop up. Where have we got to so far though? This image shows a neutrino colliding with a proton to form a muon and a pi meson. The notation on the right now shows what is happening, and we can understand it more. The neutrino comes along and collides with the proton, which contains up-up-down quarks. In fact, the neutrino cannot interact with a whole proton, it only interacts with one piece of it, a down quark. Let's look at the reaction. Nu plus D goes to mu plus U. Okay, neutrino plus down quark goes to a muon plus an up quark. The muon there is a heavy lepton. It's basically what you would get if you took an electron and made it 100 times heavier. We have a lepton on each side. Charge is 0 plus minus a third on the left, minus 1 plus 2/3 on the right, so that's balanced okay. Hadron number is 1/3 on both sides too. Now another piece is that a particle-antiparticle pair was created from the energy of the collision. In this case, a down-anti-down pair. Normally, these would just annihilate and disappear again, but instead, the up quark from the first reaction combines with the anti-down from this reaction to form a meson, which we call a pi plus meson, a pion. That leaves a down quark left over, but that's okay because the original proton lost its down quark in the reaction, so we can just take this one and go flying off. Here's the reaction in diagram form. It shows 2 up quarks staying unchanged. It shows a down quark colliding with a neutrino. The down quark changes into an up quark whilst the neutrino changes into a muon. This down-anti-down quark pair is created from pure energy, allowing a proton to be emitted and a pi meson to be emitted also. So, are we any closer to really understanding what the fundamental particles of this universe are? Currently it appears to be quarks and leptons, and as amazing and logical as all this theory and these explanations are, we still have, I find, the fundamental problem that a down quark just changed into an up quark. Now, there's plenty of this theory that I don't understand and I've got no hope of really understanding. And maybe the answer is hidden away in there. But until I still see that evidence, I'm not certain that we do know exactly what the fundamental particles are. Maybe there's something inside the quarks. However, if I was sitting an A-level question, quarks are fundamental particles, leptons are fundamental particles. Simple.